Hello everyone, my name is Firna Junior and today I will teach about material on morpheme, allomorph and morpheme-based syllable by Firna Junior, it's me and my friends Astrid Kartika. Okay, morph, morph is the actual form of a morpheme that we can see in writing or hear in speech. In another word, a morph is the physical form of a morpheme. Jadi morph itu bentuk nyata dari sebuah morfem seperti itu, dan belum tentu memiliki makna jika berdiri sendiri. Contohnya seperti biohazard. Bio itu yang berarti sebuah kehidupan, berhubung dengan kehidupan, dan hazard itu adalah bahaya. Keduanya adalah morph karena merupakan bentuk yang muncul dalam kata. Untuk contoh kedua yaitu interconnect. Inter itu adalah antar, connect itu adalah menghubungkan. Keduanya merupakan morph yang membentuk satu kata. Oke, maybe itu. Dan contoh ketiga itu adalah underestimate. Under dan estimate. Under yang berarti kurang, estimate adalah memperkirakan. Dua bentuk ini adalah morph yang menyusun kata tersebut. Okay, next is a morpheme. A morpheme is the smallest unit of meaning in a language. It cannot be divided into smaller meaningful parts. Morpheme adalah unit makna terkecil dalam bahasa yang tidak dapat dibagi lagi tanpa menghilangkan maknanya. Contoh, seperti friendliness. Friend artinya teman, li itu bentuk kata adjektif. Ness itu membentuk noun. Jadi, morpheme itu memiliki tiga morpheme, yaitu friendliness. Oke, next. Contoh kedua, misinterpretation. Misinterpretation terbagi itu tiga morpheme. Kayak mis itu salah, interpret itu menafsirkan, nah itu. Dan action itu proses atau hasil. Dan dia memiliki tiga morpheme. Untuk contoh kata ketiga yaitu reactivation, memiliki tiga morpheme. Reactivation, re itu kembali, aktif itu aktif, action itu proses atau hasil. Jadi memiliki tiga morpheme. Oke, kita lanjut ke materi ketiga yaitu allomorph. Definition allomorph. An allomorph is a different form of the same morpheme. The meaning stay the same, but the pronunciation or spelling change. Jadi allomorph adalah variasi bentuk dari satu morpheme yang memiliki fungsi dan makna yang sama, tetapi pengucapan berbeda sesuai lingkungan bunyi. Contoh morpheme plural seperti cats, dogs, and horses. Cats itu memiliki plural s, and dogs itu is. Kalau horses itu is. Gitu. Ketiganya berarti lebih dari satu, tetapi cara pengucapannya itu berbeda. Cats, S, dogs, Z, horses itu S, I sama Z. Gitu. Contoh kedua itu morpheme past tense, ed. Kissed, tulisannya itu kissed, tapi bacanya itu T. Played, bacanya itu D. Wanted, bacanya itu it. Oke? Seperti itu. Semuanya menunjukkan bentuk lampau, hanya saja bunyi yang berubah. Seperti itu. Nah, contoh ketiga yaitu prefix negatif. Contoh katanya itu illegal, impossible, irregular. Penjelasan prefix negatif berasal dari morfem yang sama. Seperti in, tetapi berubah menjadi il, im, and ir. Kayak agar sesuai bunyi huruf setelahnya bentuk-bentuk tersebut disebut allomorph. Dan ini itu dari saya, ketiga materi itu, dan selanjutnya materi akan disambung oleh teman saya, Astrid Kartika Putri.
Okay, my name is Astrid Kartika Petarima with ID number A12123 all50. Now I will explain about morpheme-based syllable. What is morpheme? A morpheme is the small unit of meaning in a word. Every morpheme has its own meaning or grammatical function. And what is syllable? A syllable is the small unit of pronunciation or sound. A syllable helps us pronunciation a word, but it does not always have meaning. For a simple difference, a morpheme is the smallest unit of meaning, while a syllable is the smallest unit of pronunciation. Now I will give you 10 examples about morpheme and syllable. The first example is unhappy. Morpheme un is not, and happy is feeling pleased. Totally have two morphemes, and syllable is unhappy. Total 3 syllables. There are only two morphemes because only un and happy have meaning. However, when we pronounce the word, it has three syllables. Is unhappy. Now, example number 2 is childhood. Morphemes. Child is a young person, and hot is the state or period of being. Total have two morphemes and syllable. Childhood. Total two syllable. But child and hot have meaning, so there are two morphemes. The pronunciation also has two syllables. Now, example number 3 is erasable. Morphemes re is again used utilizable is can be total three morphemes. Syllable re use a total four syllables. The word has three meaningful parts, but it is pronunciation in four syllables. Now, example number 4 is impossible. Morphemes im is not. Possible is able to happen. Total two morphemes, and per syllable is impossible. Total four syllables. There are only two morphemes, but the pronunciation has four syllables. Okay, now next example number 5 is disagreement. Morphemes this is not agree have the same opinion. Man forms a noun. Total three morphemes. The syllables this agree mean total four syllables. Each morpheme has meaning while the pronunciation is divided into four syllables. Now next for example number 6 is musicians. Morphemes music best word and a person related to something and else is plural. Total three morphemes and syllable musicians. Total three syllables. There are three morphemes because each part has meaning. The word is also pronounced in three syllables. Next example number 7 is hopelessly. Morphemes. Hope is expectation. Less is without. Ly from its forms and adverb. Total three morphemes and syllables is hope, less, and ly. Total three syllables. Each part has meaning and the pronunciation is divided into three syllables. Okay, next example number 8 is nationwide. Morphemes. Nation is a country, white is throughout. Total two morphemes and the syllables is nationwide. Total three syllables. The word has meaningful part, but it is pronounced with three syllables. Next example number 9 is rediscovered. Morphemes array is mean again. Discover is five. Total two morphemes and the syllable rediscovered. Total four syllables. There are two morphemes, but the pronunciation contains four syllables. And the last example is sunlight. Morphemes sun it means the stardust. Okay, now we have last example is sunlight. Morpheme sun it means the star that gives us light. Light is brightness. Total two morphemes and syllable. Sunlight total two syllables. But both sun and light have their own meaning, so there are two morphemes. The pronunciation also has two syllables. Okay, I think that's all from our group. Thank you.
I just had to let you know you're